Everybody's over here chowing down on pineapples while I record this video. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Shannon, blogging at thefrugalfootdoc.com about our journey to pay off over $500,000 of debt and some frugal living tips along the way. I was gonna do a debt-free journey update today, but since we just finished our October budget and we have a lot of little miscellaneous cash envelope categories this month, I thought it would be fun to show you guys what's in our cash envelopes and how I'm stuffing our cash envelopes for October. We just finished doing our budget for October in the Every Dollar app, which is what me and my husband use every month. That's Dave Ramsey's app for budgeting, and it works really good. So I printed everything off, and I'm gonna go through and just see what categories need to be actually cashed out and what doesn't. So like, we're not gonna take out the cash for our rent. That gets paid electronically. Same for electricity and other utilities. But there are a lot of little random miscellaneous categories, and we learned very quickly last month we didn't cash out all the categories, and things started getting really confusing, and we ended up having to try to balance the budget to make it work at the end of the month. And so this month we're gonna cash out all of these little miscellaneous categories that we budgeted for, even though it's a lot. I'm also gonna show you how to use my free budgeting or cash envelope printables, which you can get from the link below, and turn it into this so you can fill yours with all your cash for all of your different categories too. So first, let me show you how I use my free cash envelope printables to make our cash envelopes every month. So a lot of times I just reuse them so that I don't have to continually print them out. I'll just mark it out and add the new name for each month. But you can print them as many times as you need, and I also have a blank one in there, but it's really easy to do. You just cut around the lines and follow the directions, and you'll fold it and tape it up, and then it's ready to use and get stuffed with cash. So aside from groceries and our normal fun money that we each get each month, we have a vet appointment. We're gonna cash that out, Halloween decorations, babysitter, birthdays, a gift for our daughter that her birthday's coming up in November, Halloween miscellaneous, Halloween fun, and a wedding gift. Yes, we have a ton of Halloween categories, but we want to keep everything separate so that we do a better job of keeping up with these budget items. So Halloween miscellaneous is going to be all those random school parties that get thrown on us at the last minute where we need a bag of candy or whatever. We have a wedding coming up that we're gonna do a gift for. Babysitter, we have a couple events this month. And there's a ton of birthdays this month. So those are the categories that we're gonna cash out this month. So all of the cash envelopes are ready to go. As you can see, I've used some of them several times. But and then I'll give this to my husband when he's gonna go to the bank tomorrow, and he'll cash out everything we need to cash out so we can stuff our envelopes. Like the vet, things like that, or doctor's appointments, you know you're gonna have to pay cash for, call ahead. So I've already called ahead, and I already know how much the vet's gonna be. And then everything else is pretty self-explanatory. So yeah, that's how we do our cash envelope stuffing, and that's what we're spending our miscellaneous money on in October. So that's how we're stuffing our cash envelopes in October. And I hope this video was helpful or informative to you in some way. Happy October, it is my favorite month. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button, and I will catch you guys next time.